In our daily life, we use Microsoft product frequently. We cannot imagine our life without it. So basically, in short, it's the backbone of our work productivity. Microsoft Excel is one of those tools that almost every professional needs. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or a working professional. In this video, I will tell you step-by-step guide on how you can start learning Microsoft Excel from start and build skills that can actually help you in your career without spending any amount. If you have ever felt that Microsoft Excel looks complicated or you are not sure where to begin, so stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started on your Microsoft Excel learning journey absolutely free. Number 1, Coursera has this amazing course on Microsoft Excel created by Microsoft Excel, where you will not only learn basics of Excel but also its formula and data visualization. This course is available for free and you have to pay only if you need the certificate. Link of the course you can find in the description. Number 2, just write Learn Microsoft Excel on YouTube and here you get endless video on the Microsoft Excel course. And I have shortlisted one good video for you. It's just 1 hour video for beginner with 12 million views. Link of the video you can find in the description. Number 3, there is a website by the name GoSkill. They are doing an amazing job by creating crash course for the individual. Their crash course on Microsoft Excel are top notch. You can activate their free trial for 7 days and access their course for free. Yes, absolutely free. So those were some way to learn Microsoft Excel for free. Remember, the key is to practice regularly and apply what you learn in real life situation. The more you use Excel, the easier it becomes. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and share it with your friend for whom it can be useful. For more such content, subscribe onto our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support and have a lovely day.